Brad County 954, we here. I kicked the door down.
What it is, man. Thought we was stuck in the elevator, y'all. We back.
I know we've been gone for
No, I don't want to hear that. I don't want to hear that.
I ain't gonna do it.
Thought we was stuck in the elevator.
It's Father's Day weekend, y'all. We on South Beach, so we're gonna be down here for the weekend. We're gonna try to bring y'all some good footage.
Say that again? Cause it was blurry. Well, you ain't gotta see it. They heard it. I fixed it. They heard it. And they see.
Oh yeah, we gonna have to add
Yeah.
out. You hear me?
Yeah, I know that. I told you.
Yeah, I had to come back and get my mask. Come on.
Hurry up and go on out the door.
Come on. But you be having people waiting for years.
Can't do what I do.
What happened?
Can't do what I do.
If that's what the girl wants us to do it. Y'all, I'm so hungry. We finna go eat.
You too close to me. I ain't not getting no far back.
What happened? This last time that side. Watch yourself.
I know.
It would have been nice if this restaurant was open. Oh, we could have came to the ice cream thing.
No, you can't go back and put that man's shop.
Oh. Alright, you can cut it up till we get there. That shit I still see nobody call.
I got that.
Cause we'll put music up all this.
Yeah.
Make sure you do too. I don't want to hear myself saying that.
We at the table.
This way we had came and never playing. We was playing pool.
Good afternoon.
Hi. You're our new waitress?
Yes.
Okay.
Here's the menu to open the camera app. It's gonna pop up.
I know some guy just took our order.
Perfect. Oh,
So,
and it's already going.
yes. We're gonna have 2 plates of food coming to the table. You think they would try to make us pay for it? You guys must don't have assigned tables.
Say it again?
You don't have assigned tables because another waitress came. She was gonna take the order.
My bad.
This her table?
No, because this is between section 1 and section 2. We always get confused with this table.
Oh.
I'm gonna transfer it right away. It's not mine.
No.
It's okay.
I'll give it another table otherwise. I'll give it another 2 top later on. Yeah, it's my bad.
Yeah, you can just talk to
You
her.
gotta
Because it's in the middle of the 2
Yeah.
sections.
Listen, we cool with you. We straight with you being our waiter. We were just bringing it up.
Okay, beautiful.
Yeah.
No, he gonna go say something to her. You know why? Cause that may be a conflict. Remember I told you I used to be hosting.
We'll get an ice cream. Yeah. Thank you. How much that is, babe?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the eyes walking on. That's peanut butter.
Huh?
You got it, lady? How much it is together? It's $8, so.
Yeah. 17. I gotta go around.
A little shovel for it.
Of course, you can sit on the side, whatever you want. The side here is a little bit more fresh.
Okay, thank you.
Huh?
You done? Oh.
Hey, I got the good camera though for the picture.
Right.
Huh?
Ice cream and film.
It is so good, man.
I don't care. You're right. Huh? Full as hell. Those are shop, but I don't know if it's one of them though. I don't know. Cause it ain't no shops over here. I don't see now. It's another little side right there. Go across the road. Yeah. Watch your step. Ain't right here. Smell like fucking breath. I'll get your ass a little bit, yeah. There's something throwing rice out here.
Throwing rice.
Yeah, it's on the ground. It's a liquor store right here.
Oh, they probably got me here.
You got wrapped in here?
No, en el corner, you right side up upon a building, selling on it.
Hey, you know, look well.
What happened?
I think we out looking. We were out looking for a liquor store. It would have been perfect. This store right here?
Right around the corner. Not this one. Full, this ice cream.
I want to wait for my guy.
Probably this little store in here. Well, we gotta wait. Go ahead. You got what, mask coming here? And you got pre-roll wrap.
Yeah, the little cones.
Here.
You just got raw, that's all you got?
Yeah, that's all I got.
Oh, shit.
You boy.
Yep. I got rap already. Look, you want to hold the bag? You got it?
Yes. Is this a garbage can? Yes.
Good, you can hold something else in your hand. Camera on.
Oh, shit, I ain't know. This ice cream, I melted. I would eat mine fast. That ice cream was so good, y'all.
Fine?
Yes. Thank you. You see yourself? Excuse me.
Right.
Hmm?
Now, right is on. Gotta wait. Damn! What the fuck is that?
Some
It
dead.
smell like fucking,
What it smell like?
like fucking spit.
You better not go. That light red.
That shit stink, boy. Damn. I don't want to eat my ice cream no more.
Shit, this is the second time we done walk past here.
And you know this thing every time. Watch yourself.
And it ain't nothing new. All his friends gang banging, it ain't nothing new. Got a pocket full of hundreds and they all blue. Another nigga from the hood tryna bow to.